Buying the DJI Mic Mini 2 is the best purchase I've made so far in 2026. Though I own a couple of GS which is more expensive than the DJI Mic Mini 2, and here is why you're also supposed to own the DJI Mic Mini 2. But before we get into the video, recently I uploaded an unboxing video of this DJI Mic Mini 2 on my channel here on YouTube. So you can just go to the description and then check the link in there, and then you watch the unboxing to see every single thing these microphones come with, which maybe is really cool for you. You're going to love it. So check it out. So before we start with every feature of this microphone, I'm John, and actually I make videos about tech like this, and I love tech. I love exploring tech. So you could just hit on the subscribe button to support me, and then watch out for more videos like this. But before we talk about the microphone itself, actually when you open the bag which the microphone comes in, you first see this impeccable and beautiful box which contains different colors which literally change the appearance of the microphone, which means maybe when you're shooting in different locations but you want to change the appearance of the microphone, you could just remove one like this and then attach the microphone, simple as that, and then you change the appearance of it, which is really cool for a microphone like this. And also the weight of this microphone is also cool. That the last time I put it on my shirt, I recorded the whole video, and actually when I finished, I got out of my room, going out, didn't even notice that I have the microphone on my shirt, and I came back having it there with a fully charged. I mean, the battery was still, in there. It doesn't drain, and I was shocked. The transmitter weighs 11 grams, and also the receiver weighs 17 grams. I mean 17.8 grams. The charging case also weighs 139 grams, which makes it cool whenever you're actually taking it anywhere. It's very light and it's really cool. So this moves out to the next feature of this microphone, which is the battery life of this microphone. Actually, it's really incredible how this small, tiny microphone actually can take you up to this long. I mean, this transmitter can take you up to 10 hours for just 5 minutes charge. And again, the receiver can also take you up to 11 hours, which is crazy. And also the charging case can also take you up to 48 hours, which means 2 days. So I don't think you're actually going to record a full straight 2 days video. I don't think that. So you're going to have time to charge it and then use it anyway. So it's really cool. But again, the distance where you're actually going to record, is it going to affect the microphone battery health or not? This moves us to the next feature of this microphone, which is the distance or the range it can literally be in before it gets distorted or maybe it gets disconnected at all. So I put it into real life test to make you know if this thing is really cool, or it can literally take you to a higher range before it gets distorted or get disconnected. So let's watch that video and then come back to it. Okay, so right now we are checking the microphone, the distance that you can move away from the receiver and then get the sound distorted or maybe disconnected. So right now we are almost like 7 feet away from the camera, and we'll be moving to see how long it will take to disconnect. So let's go. So I don't know, but I think I'm actually at maybe like 20 feet. I don't know, but maybe like 20 feet away from the camera, and I don't know how the sound is still like. So I'll still go far and see how it sounds like. I don't know. I don't know how far this thing is from the camera, but maybe like this may be like, oh my God, 50 feet away from the camera. I don't know whether it's recording it or how the sound is like right now. I don't actually know, but it's really far away from the camera. And I think if you buy this microphone, you won't be using it as this far from the main camera or the receiver. So I'll go another. Okay, so this will be my final point. And at this point, I think we are more than far. I mean, this is really, really far from the camera. It's really, really far from the receiver. So I don't know how the sound is like right now. But at this point, I think if you get the sound really good, I think then you have to go and buy this microphone. Thanks. Now you can see I couldn't go that far because I believe you won't buy this microphone and take it to stand on a mountain and record yourself on the bottom of it. This is not going to happen. I believe that it's not going to happen. But if that's not going to happen, this microphone can go up to 400 meters when you connect to camera before it gets distorted or connected. And again, it can go up to 300 meters on the phone when you connect to phone. It's really cool. I think you love it because this is actually crazy with all these features. All right, let's move on to the next feature of this microphone. Now, to this extent, DJI nailed it. Actually, you can connect this microphone to phone, to your camera, and also to the DJI Osmo Pocket, which is really cool. But since I don't have the DJI Osmo Pocket, actually, I'm going to connect to my phone and also to my camera and see the difference of it. And also, if you connect to the phone, it gives you different features when you download the DJI Mimo app, which is really cool. Actually, you can turn it from stereo to mono. The noise cancellation, the level that I want it to be, either strong or maybe just not hard. And again, you can just change the voice tone, which is really cool, from rich, regular, and then to bright, which is crazy. I love these features. And actually, this microphone gives you the ability to switch in between how you want it to be, and it's really cool. So let's check the 3 different voice preset out before I come back to the video.
So, but before you can switch from, different voice tone, you need to connect to your phone first. So right now I've connected to my phone and then it is in regular now. So I'll switch to bright and then to rich. Now I've switched it from regular to rich, and the sound will be different because of how different voice tone actually changes how the voice will be recorded and then will be, sound. So yeah, so I'm switching from rich to bright right now. Okay, so how is the sound like right now? Because I've switched it from rich to bright, and I think bright is the best. For me, I love bright, and then when I'm recording with my phone, I usually put it on bright. And also for camera, I don't know, camera literally detects or use the best for it. So yeah, is the best for me. And then depending on how you're recording your video and how you want it to be.
How do you connect to the camera and then the phone? It's pretty simple. So to connect to the camera, this DJI microphone comes with this 3.5 millimeter TRS cable, which is really cool and it's very long enough to, and it's high quality as well. So all I have to do is attach the receiver to the mic, to the camera, and then plug in the 3.5 millimeter TRS cable to the camera and then to the receiver. And on the microphone, automatically it's actually going to connect itself. But to connect to the phone, it's also simple as that. All I have to do is just use this Type-C adapter that literally it comes with and then plug into the phone. If you are using iPhone, I think you have to have a converter which maybe you can't use to do the same thing. So if you're using Type-C phone, actually just plug it in and then attach the receiver to it simply as that. And then on a transmitter, you hold the connect button for 2 seconds, just like that, and then it will connect it to your phone. Okay, so we can just talk about a microphone without talking about a noise cancellation feature in this microphone. All right, this microphone features a two-hard way to put in your noise cancellation. Either in a commercial area, you're in a public place, or you are just indoor recording like I'm indoor recording right now. This is how you're actually going to have it. You can put it on hard, medium, I don't know, but just like that. And then the microphone neglects the noise behind you and then just record only your audio. So I'll put this one also into test so you can literally check it.
So to turn the voice cancellation on, all you have to do is the power button here, you just tap it twice and then all the sound in the background gone. So only your voice is going to be recorded. And as you can see, there's a car engine working right now, and also people are talking around here. Maybe you can't see them, but it's working now. And birds are, chipping and all other stuff. So yeah, that's it. So
how do you actually attach it to your shirt? Actually, give you 2 ways of attaching it to your shirt, which actually first you have this magnet, a massive magnet, which is really hard, and then you can literally put on like that. And also it comes with this clipper, which is also really good and nice, and it has 4 directions on how you can literally put it on. It's really cool and nice. Who is this microphone for? I think for me, this microphone for everybody, for vlogging, for content creation, for cooking videos, for talking head videos, for interview videos, for every single thing, because you have noise cancellation to clear all the noise at the back. It records really pretty well, and actually I think this is a well-rounded microphone. But will you go for this microphone which costs like $133, or you have other alternatives? And which feature of this microphone do you think you don't like? And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button for more videos like this.